How to cancel your Disney Plus subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your Disney Plus subscription. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Open the Disney Plus website on your preferred computer or your smartphone browser, and then you simply want to make sure to log into your account. If you have multiple account profiles, select the primary account holder's avatar. Click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen to access your account's details. Now you have to simply select the option that is called account. Now on the next specific page, just select the option that says billing details over here. Once you click on billing details, just select the option called cancel subscription over here. Now you have to simply confirm that you wish to cancel your account subscription by clicking the red complete cancellation button. Now simply complete the optional survey if you want to fill out the survey as well, but you can skip this process. And if you signed up for Disney Plus with a bundle package or through an outside source, your account page will list that service under the subscription heading. So just click on the billing details like you would with the regular Disney Plus account. As soon as you do that, there's no option to cancel your Disney Plus subscription directly from the Disney Plus account window. So click go to link to be directed and then just cancel your account at the bottom of the screen. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then cancel your Disney Plus subscription. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.